I wonder if your experiences have been like mine. When the pandemic came, my Toastmasters Club moved to virtual meetings. We were energetic and we knew what to do. And we were able to get most, but not all, of our members to join us online. Moreover, we still had challenges, for example, bringing guests and new members to our club. I'm wondering, is your club having a similar challenge? Hi, my name is Peter Pizer, and I've been working on a team led by Stephanie Schrader, DTM. Our goal is to find tools specifically designed to help your club hold an open house and then to follow up with the visitors as they become members. We know what we're doing. We put on more open houses last year than ever before in the history of District 22. Based on our experience, we have seen up close and personal what works and what doesn't. Will an open house help your club grow? Yes, if you follow these steps. Our secret formula has 3 types of ingredients. 1, be well prepared in advance of the open house. 2, have the club and its members be actively engaged. And 3, create a pathway that will ease visitors into membership. As we learned from sometimes painful experience, we found some missteps along the way. Let me share some tips that will help you get the best results from the new members and avoid some of the rookie mistakes that we've seen. First, recruitment takes time, planning, and commitment from club members. We want your club to have the greatest possible success. Take a few moments to follow our step-by-step guidelines. We will work with you to help find and implement the best practices for your open house success. We will help you find a prominent speaker. We've had a lot of experience with open houses, and I want to introduce some of those ideas quickly and efficiently as you chart your course for your own club's growth. In addition, if you decide to join in partnership with us, we will work with your club. Now, here are some best practices so that your open house will be a total success. Imagine with me for a minute that you're putting your house on the market. Speaking from personal experience as a home seller, what I did with my old house was to meet with a realtor. She came over and looked at our house. After inspection, she gave us a marketability report. That report gave us strong marks for our location, for the landscaping, and ease of access. She red flagged a few items, however: the garish paint in my son's room, the fading paint in the kitchen, and so on. Based on that feedback, we repainted both rooms. When that was done, we scheduled our open house. In a similar fashion, we have developed a checklist for you and your club. Successful growth requires engagement and commitment by the whole membership of your club. Here's our step-by-step guide. In Toastmasters, the process starts well before the open house. As a leader, you decide what you want to do. State your intention. Be specific. Create numbers and deadlines. For example, 2 months from now, our club will host an open house that will attract 5 guests and 4 will continue into membership. Share your intention with other club leaders. Take the initiative. Put a team together to lead the open house project. It's not enough for one person to be on board. As we all know, Toastmasters works best as a team effort. Involve and engage your core leadership. One of the best ways to do that is with a free handout from the Toastmasters International website. It's called Moments of Truth. This is an ideal way to find out the areas of improvement that will work for your club. As you work through Moments of Truth, you will have the opportunity for members to give their enthusiastic consent. In my club, we invested 2 full meetings to gain our consensus. You might find that you can do it in 1. What you want to do is to create an agreement about your club's to-do list. As you plan for your open house, be sure to clean and shine your club. Make your meetings sparkle. Continuing our metaphor, in real estate, the buzz phrase might be curb appeal. In the internet age, that means how visible is your club online? Google your club. Look carefully at your club's public face. Is your website up to date and inviting? Does the information on page 1 invite and guide the visitor to attend your next club meeting? As you review the web, be sure to check out all the other references to your club. Are you listed on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others? Do all of these sites have current information? The more sites you have, of course, the greater your visibility. If you don't have other sites, and what you see out there is not what you like, fix and improve those places on the internet today. As you know, most people find their clubs online. Your website needs to be clear, coherent, and inviting. In addition to your website, you may need more: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The more markers you have on the internet, the easier it is for people to find and visit your club. So get ready to extend your club's footprint and upgrade and update all of your documents. Prepare a guest packet. This would provide some information such as where the club meets, how to get access, directions to your physical location if that's appropriate. And then be sure to provide a list of frequently asked questions. These could include: how do you get access to your online or physical meeting sites? What does it cost to join? Where can a visitor find you? And then designate a member to be on the receiving and replying end to the online inquiries. Be sure to harvest the contact information so you know who's listening and who might be coming. Be sure to respond to their questions quickly. It's important to be responsive because Toastmasters is part of an international worldwide organization. Our Toastmasters brand is strong and positive. Did you know that 87% of Toastmasters members would recommend Toastmasters? And 4 out of 5 Toastmasters have recommended Toastmasters to their work colleagues, their family, and friends. Don't keep Toastmasters a secret. Our purpose with the open house is to deliver an experience of value to your visitors. In your marketing, state the takeaways for the visitors. What are the 2 or 3 most valuable benefits for your visitors? What will they gain from attending and listening to this meeting? Invite people to join you to laugh, learn, and grow as they build their confidence in their own leadership and speaking abilities. Toastmasters provides a safe place for you to grow and enjoy your speaking power. The idea of the sample meeting at the open house is to invite people to stay and have a taste of what we serve. Note some of the benefits of being online. For example, that there's easy parking and comfortable chairs. Food is always as close as the fridge. We would love to see you on Zoom, and in the fullness of time, we will see you in a room as well. We will be ready, and we're available wherever you are. Toastmasters is the ideal place for people who are living in our new world with new rules, new ways of connection. Toastmasters is the great place for people to learn, grow, and practice communication and leadership in a safe and affirming space. In conclusion, share these open house tips and techniques. Invite people to come to your club and create a call for action button that will invite people to register and be present at your event. Be sure to feature your club's name and logo and any other information that would be helpful. We look forward to partnering in your next open house. This has been Peter Pizer saying thank you, ciao, and bye.